Sarap ng hotcake. Favorite ko talaga yung hotcake. Sa Domakbay na.
Sobrang sarap ng hotcake ng Domak.
Si Papa, pag nagluluto siya ng sobrang sarap.
Ano?
Pag nagluluto si Papa, sobrang sarap.
Ano na magluto si Papa mo?
Hotcake. But yeah, magaling siya mag-barbecue.
Yung mga sangkap-sangkap adobo.
Pero busy siya eh. Busy lang siya makaluto. Sobrang once in a blue moon lang. Kasi laging may ginagawa.
Ilan taon na mama mo?
50.
50?
Yeah. 1965, 50. Hindi ko alam. Basta around that. Ay, 50.
Hindi na siya maka-baby.
No. Tsaka kahit naman pwede pa. Lagi silang busy.
Damihan mo na lang ang apo.
Ano?
Damihan na lang ang apo.
Ang tatay ko nga, silang magkakapatid 10.
Ano? Damihan mo na lang ang apo, kisis. Nasa iyong pag-asa.
Yung
Simbak ko.
Coke.
Coca-Cola!
Nag-asawa yung nanay ko, 27.
27?
Feel ko tama lang yun, right?
Ako din, oo.
Kaya kung 22 pa lang.
Pero, kisis dalahin na ang mga nagawang pancakes sa storage.
Yay! Ay, wait lang. Ay, lalagyan ko pa.
Nabuang mo na yung
Kinuha
kisis.
ni
Oy!
yung... Ay, kinuha ni Christian.
Tara. Ito. Yan natin.
Okay,
Syrup na lang. Yan. Ito syrup. Wait lang, lagyan ko pa ng syrup. Baka hindi syrup. Bagulang ng lasa.
Paliguan natin yung syrup.
Mas maganda itong red na lang.
Kasi sa blue parang inamang. Wow, maganda yung bakaluto.
Yung matatakpan pa.
Huh?
Yan, parang nasunog. Wala na. Arky, yung mga nandun.
Baka friends ko yan. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Oh. Hala.
Oh, cute naman.
Sabi mo sana ay my boy version.
Boy version.
Kuya, walang takip! Bahala si kuya dyan.
Yeah, it's konti. Na, patay na.
Ay, kisses! Nandito takip ko rin blue.
Christian, what is Young saying?
Halika!
Hey, parang yung isa, kulang tubig. Lasang asukal. Red. Where's the... Na. Sir, itats ko po. Oo, napatay na. Hindi na. Yun na yung ginawa nila eh. Ay, pinili nila.
Is that yung...
Na, kuya, yung ano. Sino dito? Yung ano ko, kuya. Na, matanggal na ito pag...
More water because it tastes like sugar.
Ha? Pancake lang yan. Ay, ala.
Needs the gulaman.
Na, paano to?
Kuya, can we have the gulaman
May
flavor,
sa akin,
please?
kisses.
Wait, wait, Christian.
Open na, open na.
You can get from underneath.
But I don't want to take any of the
Bye-bye.
gulaman. I want to take the... Oh, wait.
Yeah, that's it. It's the dispenser thingamajig. What's the name? Nah.
So there's enough for sago and ice.
What's that? What's that?
Huh? It's from this one.
Pandan.
No, I just transferred it.
Oh.
So it's the same like.
Walang pap ay sa'yo.
No, I had a Marco moment. I nearly put hand soap instead of dishwash.
Marco mistake.
Marco mistake.
But they successfully broke out.
Huh?
They broke out.
I know, right?
Just in time.
I was kind of surprised actually.
Yeah, all girls. Compared to the where there were boys. Oh, come on, man. Minus 5 points to the boys versus girls.
No, if you're scared of zombies, you're scared of zombies, man. They were shocked though when I jumped up. Oh my gosh.
And then when they said, oh, that's Christian.
Really?
Yeah. I was surprised. Like, what? I was expecting like, who's this?
Ah, there's jelly that came out. Does not taste good. That is not good. This one tastes good. This one's alright. Don't touch this anymore. But this one, too much sugar, not enough
Flavor.
gulaman.
Yeah, but there's no gulaman yet.
Like, but there's, you know that stuff that we put at the beginning? This one,
Oh, what's that? Pandan flavor.
pandan flavor.
Kuya, that's for pandan and vanilla.
Yeah, but this, it doesn't taste enough pandan. This tastes like sugar melted in water.
Yeah. Because kuya, pandan flavor po, iba po yung
Please.
lasa ng ano.
It's not good anymore. This one's alright. This one's really good.
You can take off, you can drink. Come on. Put some ice in, then you're good to go.
Nah, but
You can adjust
taste
for
it. This tastes like. Should I get to my too? I try.
What?
Tastes like sugar.
Vanilla and pandan. Really
Like
tastes
a little
good.
bit more water as well. It tastes like sugar. I can't see my.
Yeah.
No, lain no. Dili same katong sa gahapon.
Let's put water. What does it taste like? I think it just needs a little more water because, and then the flavoring.
Ha? Ano, nabali. Bye.
Ha? Kauna. Ito nga sa third one. Harap bite. No, Edward, remember, we put a lot of gulaman pa.
Sorry.
Then we'll put pa ice.
Sobrang sarap do.
Harap bite? Balo, baka pa na.
Worth it ang 20 pesos.
20 pesos for one of those.
Sarap.
50 cents for one of those.
Mm.
Expensive.
No, not 50 cents. Like
No, just under
45 cents.
45, 40 cents. Start pinning up a little bit. Okay, man?
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Nakakauhaw siya, no? Ako na kamay para di kamay lang.
Thank you.
Cold or hot? Hindi naman yung cold or hot.
Excuse me. Excuse
Sabi ko, thank you. Sa ganito na.
And then all the water just comes
Thank
rushing
you,
out of
baby
between
boy.
your teeth.
Tapos daw ang ininom mo ito may lumalampas na dito kasi ngipin.
Kaya,
3 is the right temperature talaga for a
ito to gali, ano?
Coke.
Kisses.
Kakastart pa lang.
Akala ko na doon siya sa storage room
Doon.
ano na.
Ate May, oh. Doon natin mo ito para pantanggal ng sides. Mas mabilis. Hindi ganyan. Iba ba pinatay?
Ha?
Iba ba mo siya? Ipahiga mo. Bitawan mo. Yan. Tapos patalikod mo siya putulin.
Okay.
Mabilis.
Thank you.
Or kung hindi siya nag-work para sa'yo, ano na lang.
Okay ka.
Okay siya? Kung bakit ka talaga
Tama na. Kay kisses.
saan siya?
Yan,
Nasaan siya?
isa. Hindi yan, yung isa.
What color to? Wala mo.
Maging sino naman sila.
May food color ka na dyan. Ha?
Dirty bird.
3 lang talaga siya, Edward. Temperature, 3. Look. So perfect. No? 3.
I just want to eat.
Lami mo king strawberry jam ba?
Hmm?
Lami mo di siya.
Hmm.
Mura siya jelly na... Isa. Christian, pumasok ka sa confession room.
Wala, wait lang. Ano-ano pa kailangan natin?
I don't know.
Wala. Edward, could you check on this later?
It's not ready yet?
Not yet. Ano kailangan natin? Pandan, vanilla, tapos... Yun pa lang, no? Pandan, vanilla flavor.
I don't know.
Christian, did you make more jelly?
Oh, not yet. There's instructions behind the gulaman powder.
What's up, Christian? No, patay.
You okay? Break out na.
Sis! Ang saging! So, hindi kumain ng saging!
Nakatago sa upuan.
They saw you eating a banana?
Mga habay.
Natawa ako kasi parating na sila, tapos kumakain ako ng saging, ninulok pa yung saging.
Jo! Grabe yung third bite!
Zombie na kumakain ng
Mga
saging.
Christian.
Gutom ba?
Oh,
Na! Jo!
Ay, wait.
Only 5 seconds. Wait.
ano?
Grabe, tinatinta yung boses ko
Hindi.
eh.
Parang,
Young's voice.
Jealous.
parang lasing eh.
Tinatinta yung boses ko ba? Hindi na ako magkanta.
Because you can sing like Young does.
Okay.
Bakit yan? Kainin ko muna to. Pirak nila ba? Grabe, Edward, ang galing na Edward, oh.
Wow!
Gabi, bye. Scratch up na
Di
siya.
ba?
Let's say it again.
Nga,
Nakakagutom maging zombie.
nga, sira ba eh?
Ano yung sipol?
Sipon.
Ano sipol?
Sipol, kutsilyo.
Hmm. Sipol yan sa amin. Sipol.
Gagawin ka nga naman, tipo.
Sipol Walker. Saan yung sipol?
Grabe, Edward, boy.
Yung ski. Sipol.
Sipon, dyan sa ilong.
Yung at Edward Pumesto na
Nandun noon!
Ano chan-chan?
fashion.
Yung marunong akong luto ng pancake?
Tinawag na nga ako.
Wait.
Yeah, don't worry, until today I didn't really know that. Just for this weight, spread the oil a little bit sometimes.
Eh, didikit ko muna yung ano ko.
Until it's rinsed, like you can see it's cooked around the edges.
Okay.
Then take the knife. Flip it over.
Okay.
Once you like touch it from time to time to see if it's like stable. It should be like brown, like mine is. Like mine. And then flip it over.
Thank you. Diretso.
Promise to build a new world.
Siya lang ako eh.
Na, yung patay na. In the middle.
Middle.
Thank you.
Middle.
Tama siya.
Midul.
Wala ka timay. Kinain mo yung weekly budget natin.
Saan dyan?
Hmm?
Saan?
Yung huwag mo kainin mo yung tao yung hindi weekly budget. Alam ko.
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Ba yan?
Hindi na, sinabi niya?
Yay, may plastic sa loob.
Ano yung sinabi niya?
Kainin mo daw yung tao, hindi yung pagkain.
Yung... Kating sulpot na. Kati na yung mukha ko.
Ba't nasa confession nun si Christian?
I don't know. Kanas tingin mo. MMK.
Charan! Charan!
Yay!
Para kang si Yayan eh. Pag may nagagawa akong maganda, yay! Ganun siya. I don't know my name. I don't know what it used to be. So I don't know where. Don't know. Don't know where. I don't know my
dyan. Ito. Ito yung masarap na. Chocolate sobrang sticky.
Nga. Sobrang sarap. Mas masarap yun sa dito.
Tapos, strawberry jam. Ah!
Mahilig talaga ako sa sweets.
Nabali pa. Tubig! Down in the middle.
May, ang ganda ng katawan mo.
Siksi daw, siksi. Ikaw din, kisses.
Color ko. Gusto ko. Mahilig ako sa gulaman. Si Bihira lang ako makatikim.
Hindi. Mahilig ka? Mahilig ka sa gulaman pag...
Kasi bihirang-bihira ako makatikim yan.
Bakit masarap sa inyo? Sa akin hindi. Sa
Sarap
Shumay
siya.
Master?
Hindi ako dyan ang titikim. Yung sa restaurant na gulaman. Thank you.
Forget about it. I don't know.
Kanina habang naging zombie ako, na-atcho ako. Na-atcho. Tumawa sila.
No, no,
Hala! Hala! Timoy!
Sayang.
Tingnan mo!